Hi guys, it's Wengie and hugs! Bomba hugs! Oh, it's cute. So I saw this challenge going around and I thought I'd try it. It is the Black Foods Challenge. So I'm gonna be eating black foods for 24 hours. Black like my soul. I'm gonna wear black as well, but then I thought that'd be kind of too sad. And I wore black here, it's underneath. Anyways guys, let's go eat breakfast and let's see what breakfast I can find that's black. Hopefully I won't go hungry. Alright guys, we've arrived at the cafe and I chose this cafe especially for today. Check out the name. Hopefully they'll have some black food inside and I won't go hungry. I mean, the name has black in it, so it should have black food. Let's check it out. Let's go. I just got the menu, so I'm gonna look for some black food. No black food, first page. What is this? What is this? Is it black Angus beef patties? Does that mean it's black or is it like a type of beef? Alright.
I can always eat it if you can't.
You know what? Let's see if they have a black pasta. Nope, no black food. Alright guys, so they don't have a black pasta. The closest thing we have is this black Angus beef. I'm gonna order it. If it isn't black, then I can't eat it. You can have it. I just realized I have to have black coffee today. My soy latte is not black. My favorite part of the morning. No milk in my coffee. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Still smells good. It needs sugar, but I refuse to have sugar. Sugar is not good for you. No sugar. It just doesn't taste good, but it's got caffeine. I just want the caffeine. Give me the caffeine. Ew! I'm buzzing. This is great. The world just seems sunnier, happier, brighter. I'm a new person. Guys, Black Angus is not black. It's burnt. Does that count?
You can have the burnt part.
Can't have the egg. Can't have the bacon. Can't have the cheese. Can't have the tomato. Oh, is this black? Can I have this?
That's like a dark purple.
I'm ready. What? It's only burnt at the edges. I'm gonna be hungry today, guys. I have a feeling. This is my breakfast. Alright, I give up. I actually prepared some food at home just in case I wasn't gonna get anything. Let's head home. Alright guys, so we're home now and I'm still hungry. I only just had a black coffee for breakfast, but I have a solution. I prepared this earlier just in case things didn't work out, and I have this thing. Don't know what it is, found it in the grocery store, but basically it turns anything black. So I have some eggs. I'm gonna make black eggs today, so I'm gonna show you guys how to DIY your own black egg in case you kind of wanted to. I don't even know why you would want to do that, but so I'm reading the ingredients and it says 40% squid ink. Ew, this is gonna taste good. All right, so what you want to do is actually separate your yolk from your white. Oh my gosh, guys, we have a double yolk egg. I think I'm a chef. Look, this is a perfect yolk separation, but who would have thought we have 2 yolks in this egg? I need to buy a lottery ticket today. It smells like dried fish. I'm gonna put a tiny bit, see if it turns black. Stop mixing. This looks gross. Time to cook it. Alright guys, the egg is done. I think it looks pretty cute. And also, I have a drink that I found that hopefully is black. Black soy milk! Yay! Oh no! I don't think it's black. I made a big mistake. And this milk is not black. So I made a mess and I can't drink any of it. I'm gonna eat my breakfast now. We need a garnish. We have black pepper. Oh yeah. It's actually good. It's really good. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next meal. Bye! So I wasn't really full from breakfast because I only had literally the egg whites of one egg. Should have made two. Anyways, for once I'm having semi-normal food. Blackberries! Have you ever realized how weird blackberries look? They kind of look like a condensed grape. You know, like a bunch of purple grapes but like squashed together and forced to like hang out. That's kind of what it looks like. These are good blackberries. Sometimes they get really sour and you eat them and I'm like, but like these ones are really sweet actually. They're really good.
Like what?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my blackberries and the ambient construction sound. I'm sure you can hear through this whole video, there's like construction going on. Just thought I'd let you know. Got my phone, gonna chill out. I'll see you maybe at lunch.
Oh, I see you're eating.
It's black, I swear. It's an Oreo. Look, I'm gonna eat the middle.
Are you sure about that? I feel like it's something that's been eaten.
Mmm, they're so good.
Boomba, you keep an eye on Mummy.
Alright guys, it is lunchtime and I made what I could make for lunch. It is black rice with black beans. Whole black beans. I know it's kind of brown as it like has come out. I can eat this, right? It counts.
Before you start, I have something a little extra, a little something something.
Ah, did you make me something? Yay, you never cook. Max never cooks for me.
Alright, you ready?
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Enjoy.
What is this?
It's a black chicken.
What? It looks like a black alien just landed on my plate. I'm gonna eat my beans and rice. Thanks.
You gotta try it, okay? You gotta knock back my gesture of kindness.
This is kindness?
Mm.
Guys, check this out. I mean, it smells like chicken. Alright, guys. You didn't put any flavor in this. Do I get like salt and pepper, gravy, something? I mean, it's not bad. Look, even the chicken meat is gray.
Oh
Look how
God.
gray that is. This is definitely black food.
You know who else wants black food?
Well, now I know who's gonna finish the rest of this chicken. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish my rice and beans, maybe with a little bit of chicken, and then I'll be back with my next meal. Bye! Hey! It's afternoon, and I'm eating some more black food because I got hungry. This is black raisins. Pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can like catch them in my mouth. Nope. Out of 5, let's see how many I get. That's 1 out of 2. Good. Okay, 3 out of 5. Not bad. Also, I realized, guys, I cannot drink water because it's not black. So, I have, ta-da! Pepsi. Coke or Pepsi, guys? Let me know down below. Because I'm bougie, I'm drinking it in a wine glass. Mama, you want a reason?
Is this you eating black food for a whole day or Boomba eating black food for a whole day?
Boomba eats any food for the whole day. Whenever you have food, Boomba is there. Seriously, he'll just circle you like a shark the whole time. See, look, he's circling me like a shark. Just like I said. I don't think he likes the raisins. He's not a fruit kind of... They're all raisins. You're not finding anything new there. Alright guys, cheers! Alright guys, so it's now time to prep dinner. I'm learning from the mistake that I was making before, and I'm never gonna be using raw squid ink again. I prepared squid ink pasta and it's black already, so I don't have to do anything, which is great. Doesn't smell like fish at all, which is good. So I hope it's gonna taste like regular pasta. And then to go with my pasta, I have whole black olives, which honestly, I don't really like eating olives at all, but it was the only black thing that kind of goes with the pasta. And then, one of my favorite things is actually caviar. Yes, this girl got expensive taste. I'm gonna mix in the olives with the caviar with the pasta. It's gonna be my dinner. So why don't we go to the kitchen and start cooking? Dinner is served, guys. It is literally a perfectly black meal. So I think the last meal of the day is actually the most aesthetic. Like, I am appreciating this right now. This looks super pretty. Hope it tastes just as good as it looks. I'll crack some black pepper on it. Okay guys, here's the taste test. Okay, the pasta tastes really good. It's like regular pasta. I think I ate too much caviar there. It was really salty. Pepper was good. Overall, it's a pretty like tasteless dinner. But I mean, all things considered, it's not as bad as some of the stuff I ate today, so.
Did you have an olive?
I don't like olives.
Yeah, I ate the olive. Maybe you'll like them now.
Okay. Still don't like olive. Why didn't they invent like a black pizza or something like that? I'm gonna get hungry later before I sleep. All right, I'm gonna eat the rest of my dinner now. See you for dessert. Alright guys, so I didn't actually end up finishing my whole dinner because halfway through it was just getting too much. There's a reason why you only eat like a tiny bit of caviar because like too much of it is just like super rich, got too fishy. So I'm gonna try and wash all that bad taste down with some black chocolate. Dark chocolate. It says black chocolate, so it's gonna count, right? Hopefully I don't eat the whole packet because I didn't really eat that much today. My favorite part. Ignore the fact that it's brown, please. It says it's black. It's good. I mean, it tastes like chocolate. It's not that bitter. It's pretty sweet. So I'm gonna finish all my chocolate now. Hope you guys enjoyed spending 24 hours with me eating black food. As you realize, I didn't really eat that much today. There's like not many options when it comes to black food. If you guys want me to do more challenges like this, let me know which ones you want me to do down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.